Hi beautiful, I'm Cassidy. So you've been diagnosed with a lumbar spine bulging disc and you're looking for some tools in your pocket to do at home to help your recovery process. I've been teaching injury recovery Pilates for over 20 years. I've helped many people recover from their bulging discs. It's possible. Your body can recover, your body can heal. You just need to know what to do and the consistency of doing it. So let's get to it. You're gonna start in a quadruped position. You want your toes curled under, you want your feet in line with the back of your hips, and you want your pelvis over your knees. You wanna have a nice long spine, your head in line with your spine, soft elbows, and your hands slightly above your shoulders. If this is uncomfortable for your toes, you're welcome to keep your shoes on, that's absolutely fine. Once you feel like you're in a good quadruped position, you're gonna engage your inner thighs. You're gonna pull your inner thighs in towards each other, even though they're not moving, and you're gonna feel the inner thigh, booty, deep ab connection engage. You want that, that's good. Then from here, you're going to take opposite arm and leg off of the mat at the same time. And you wanna hold that for about 3 to 5 counts. And then come back to your home base position. Again, set yourself up. Feel your good quadruped position, inner thigh, booty, deep ab connection on, taking opposite arm and leg off of the mat, holding for about 3 to 5 counts, and then coming back to your home base position. And again, setting yourself up. So each time you want to set yourself up for success. It's so important to have good form here, right? You want to build that core connection to protect your lower back. So feel that inner thigh, booty, deep ab connection on. Take opposite arm and leg off of the mat, trying to be as steady in the spine as possible. Be very careful of the spine wanting to do this, right? You don't want to have any flexion of the spine. Be very careful of doing this, right? Tilting, rotating the pelvis, going into some funky rotation or extension of the spine, right? You're really trying to keep that nice long spine. In fact, you want to feel like you're reaching your arms, your fingers, right, away from your toes, lengthening the spine as best you can, and then coming back into your home base position and reset each time. Set yourself up for success. Once you feel like you've got a nice setup, inner thighs on, booty, deep abs on, taking opposite arm and leg off of the mat, holding 3 to 5 counts, reaching your fingertips and toes away from each other, creating that space in between your vertebrae, and then coming back to home base, reset, setting yourself up for success. You want to try to build up so that you can do 10 sets. You got it? All right, you did it. I love it. One step closer in your recovery process. Sweet. Strengthening your core to help protect your lower back is such an important piece of your recovery process. This is such a great exercise to build that core strength. You can do this exercise every day as long as you're not feeling any pain. Remember, the bulging disc is not an injury that you want to push through the pain. The pain is telling you something. It's telling you to stop and rest, and you want to honor that. You will actually help speed up your recovery process if you listen to your body. Only do what feels safe and right for you. I want you to get the most out of your recovery process. So if you have any questions or you're looking for modifications, please leave a comment below. I'm happy to help. Just so you know, this is just one piece of the bigger picture. You can access this full Pilates series in the description below. It may feel very satisfying to do the whole routine, or you can benefit from doing the exercises you haven't done yet. It will be waiting for you whenever you're ready, and I will meet you there. See you soon. Are you ready for exclusive content, early access to content, and other perks? Join us on Patreon. Click on the link in the description of this post for more. Special shout out to my Vital 7 stars. Thank you for making this video possible.